The International Maritime Academy, established in the early 20th century, has been a cornerstone in maritime education. From its humble beginnings, the Academy has grown exponentially, adapting to the ever-changing demands of the maritime industry. With campuses around the globe, the Academy offers a diverse and inclusive environment for students from all walks of life. Each campus is equipped with state-of-the-art facilities, ensuring that students receive the best possible training and education. It has trained thousands of maritime professionals, providing them with the skills and knowledge necessary to excel in their careers. The Academy's curriculum is designed to be both rigorous and comprehensive, covering all aspects of maritime operations, from navigation and engineering to safety and environmental protection. These trained professionals have gone on to lead in various sectors of the maritime industry, including shipping, logistics, and port management. The Academy's alumni network is vast and influential, with graduates holding key positions in some of the world's leading maritime organizations. The International Maritime Academy is not just about training individuals, it is about fostering a global community of maritime professionals. The Academy regularly hosts international conferences and workshops, bringing together experts from around the world to share knowledge and collaborate on projects. Research is a key component of the Academy's mission. Students and faculty are actively involved in cutting-edge research projects, exploring new technologies and methodologies to improve maritime operations and safety. The Academy's research initiatives have led to numerous innovations and advancements in the field. The Academy also places a strong emphasis on community outreach and social responsibility. Students are encouraged to participate in volunteer programs and initiatives that promote maritime awareness and education in local communities. These programs not only benefit the communities but also help students develop a sense of civic duty and responsibility. Graduation from the International Maritime Academy is a momentous occasion, marking the culmination of years of hard work and dedication. The Academy's graduates are well prepared to take on the challenges of the maritime industry and make significant contributions to the field. The success stories of the Academy's alumni are a testament to the quality of education and training provided. Many graduates have gone on to achieve great success in their careers, becoming leaders and innovators in the maritime industry. Their achievements reflect the Academy's commitment to excellence and its role in shaping the future of maritime professionals. The International Maritime Academy is more than just an educational institution. It is a vibrant and dynamic community. The Academy hosts a variety of events and activities throughout the year, celebrating the achievements of its students and faculty and fostering a sense of camaraderie and pride. Extracurricular activities play a significant role in the student experience at the Academy. Students have the opportunity to join various clubs and organizations, participate in sports and recreational activities, and engage in cultural and social events. These activities help students develop well-rounded personalities and build lasting friendships. The Academy also maintains strong partnerships with industry leaders and organizations. These partnerships provide students with valuable opportunities for internships, hands-on training, and real-world experience. Collaborations with industry partners ensure that the Academy's curriculum remains relevant and aligned with the needs of the maritime industry. Internships are an integral part of the Academy's training program. Students gain practical experience by working on ships, in ports, and in various maritime facilities. These internships provide students with a deeper understanding of the industry and help them apply their classroom knowledge to real-world situations. The International Maritime Academy is at the forefront of technological advancements in maritime education. The Academy's facilities include advanced simulators and training equipment, allowing students to practice and hone their skills in a controlled and safe environment. These technological tools enhance the learning experience and prepare students for the complexities of modern maritime operations. The Academy's faculty members are experts in their respective fields, bringing a wealth of knowledge and experience to the classroom. They are dedicated to providing high-quality education and mentorship, guiding students through their academic and professional journeys. The faculty's commitment to excellence is reflected in the success of the Academy's graduates. The International Maritime Academy's impact extends beyond its campuses. The Academy is actively involved in international collaborations and initiatives, working with other maritime institutions and organizations to address global challenges and promote sustainable practices in the maritime industry. The Academy's global reach and influence make it a leader in maritime education and research. Environmental sustainability is a core value of the Academy. Students and faculty are engaged in various projects and initiatives aimed at protecting marine ecosystems and promoting sustainable maritime practices. The Academy's commitment to environmental conservation is evident in its curriculum, research, and community outreach efforts. Looking to the future, the International Maritime Academy continues to innovate and expand. New campus developments and initiatives are underway, aimed at enhancing the educational experience and meeting the evolving needs of the maritime industry. The Academy's vision for the future is one of growth, excellence, and global impact. The legacy of the International Maritime Academy is one of dedication, innovation, and excellence. For over a century, the Academy has been at the forefront of maritime education, shaping the future of the industry and making a lasting impact on the world. As it continues to evolve and grow, the Academy remains committed to its mission of providing the highest quality education and training to the next generation of maritime professionals. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates. In recent years, artificial intelligence has begun to revolutionize the way the International Maritime Academy operates. This transformation is not just limited to the classrooms but extends to every facet of the Academy's functioning. The integration of AI has brought about a paradigm shift in maritime education and training, making it more efficient, accurate, and forward-thinking. From advanced navigation simulators to AI-driven maritime logistics, the Academy is leveraging AI to enhance the learning experience of its students. These simulators provide a realistic and immersive environment for students to practice and hone their navigation skills without the risks associated with real-life training. The AI-driven maritime logistics systems, on the other hand, are teaching students how to manage and optimize shipping operations, ensuring that they are well prepared for the challenges of the modern maritime industry. The Academy is at the forefront of integrating cutting-edge technology into its curriculum. This includes the use of AI tools for predictive maintenance of ships, which helps in identifying potential issues before they become major problems, thereby reducing downtime and increasing efficiency. Additionally, AI is being used to analyze vast amounts of data collected from various maritime operations, providing valuable insights that can be used to improve decision-making processes. Faculty members at the International Maritime Academy are also playing a crucial role in this transformation. They are continuously updating their knowledge and skills to keep pace with the rapid advancements in AI technology. This ensures that they can provide the most up-to-date and relevant education to their students. Moreover, students are encouraged to engage in AI-based projects, fostering a culture of innovation and critical thinking. One of the significant areas where AI is making a substantial impact is maritime safety. AI-powered systems are being used to monitor and predict potential safety hazards, ensuring that preventive measures can be taken in a timely manner. Students are being trained to understand and utilize these systems, making them better equipped to handle safety-related challenges in their future careers. Another critical application of AI at the Academy is in the field of environmental monitoring. AI technologies are being used to track and analyze the environmental impact of maritime activities. This includes monitoring pollution levels, tracking marine wildlife, and assessing the overall health of marine ecosystems. Students are learning how to use these technologies to promote sustainable practices in the maritime industry. The emphasis on AI at the International Maritime Academy is also fostering a strong research culture. Students are encouraged to undertake research projects that explore new and innovative applications of AI in the maritime field. These projects not only contribute to the students' learning, but also add to the body of knowledge in the field of maritime studies. Faculty members provide guidance and feedback, ensuring that the research is of high quality and relevance. The Academy has also established a dedicated AI lab, equipped with the latest tools and technologies. This lab serves as a hub for students and faculty to collaborate on AI-related projects and experiments. It provides a hands-on learning experience, allowing students to apply theoretical knowledge to practical scenarios. The lab is a testament to the Academy's commitment to staying at the cutting edge of maritime education. Graduates of the International Maritime Academy are reaping the benefits of this AI-driven education. They are entering the maritime industry with a strong foundation in AI technologies, making them highly sought after by employers. Their ability to leverage AI for various maritime applications sets them apart from their peers, giving them a competitive edge in the job market. In conclusion, the impact of artificial intelligence on the International Maritime Academy is profound and far-reaching. It is transforming the way maritime education is delivered, making it more dynamic, efficient, and relevant to the needs of the modern maritime industry. The Academy's commitment to integrating AI into its curriculum is preparing the next generation of maritime professionals to navigate the challenges and opportunities of the future with confidence and competence. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive future updates.